Hi, thanks for joining and watching today. I just wanted to show some illustration work I've been doing. I did these for a comic page style, and I decided they might be better suited for a anthology. So I will break these up, and you will have this illustration accompanying a poem. It'll be haiku or Sci Ku, my preferred style. And then this bottom image will have the second one. There is a penciled image on top, which I will also ink and get around to. But today I wanted to share the two poems that I was going to be working on and give you a little sneak peek of the images before I break them up and put it into a nice, beautiful design. The two poems are Love Bites and Fear in a Box. Fear in a Box, I took a middle ground approach with syllables and words. The idea was to have 3 to 4 words on each line to build that suspense, to have a cadence so that you would almost think that there's something else to happen, a jump scare, or the impending doom. So Fear in a Box is basically a shortened poem that talks about a person trapped and being surrounded. For Love Bites, it's a poem that maximizes efficiency in the first line. I only have 2 words using all 5 syllables, and then it builds. And the idea is that there is a increase in activity and action, and finally in the third line it slows down, sort of representing a slow, painful end as I put 1 word for each of the last 3 syllables. So that was my thought behind creating the poems in the haiku format, in a Sci Ku representation with a bit of a horror twist to it. So I will read those to you. I hope you enjoy. Love Bites by Richard Gresla. Lovers, intimate, killer passions on display. Lustful bite, then death. Fear in a Box by Richard Gresla. Hiding in the dark, aliens click in circle. The box gets smaller. So there you have my 2 poems. I hope you enjoyed them. And the beautiful thing about haiku is you can really choose to wordsmith to a point where you have maximum efficiency using very few words to encompass all the syllables. The other beautiful thing about haiku is that you can really draw out a syllable for each and every word, really giving a sense of pacing for your poems in very few lines. Those 17 syllables don't necessarily have to be followed this day and age. There's a lot of creative approaches you can take by increasing or decreasing the number of syllables, but I try to stay a little bit traditional with the 17 syllables, 5, 7, 5 on 3 lines. So for sure, play with it, have fun. I certainly enjoy it. There's a lot of great traditional haiku poems that a person can read and gain inspiration from. Again, traditionally haiku focuses on a time or season, and then subject matter tends to be around nature. With Sci Ku, it's now science, math, modern ideas, and I definitely enjoy exploring through art, writing, all aspects of haiku, Sci Ku poetry. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more art and poems.